Hello, friend. Hope your day was good, or it will be. It's Julio Sun again. It's starting to get warm. Now, if you are a big-time coffee drinker, it's time for that large iced coffee. Now, we mostly buy it from the coffee shop or the bodega, right? Now, making hot coffee at home is common. But what if we could make iced coffee at home a regular thing? We can by getting one of those coffee machines that makes iced coffee as well as hot coffee. Now that's why I am going to tell you about the 3 best coffee makers that makes both hot and cold coffee. Now the good folks over at Consumers Report did all the figuring out for us, and I am going to tell you about it. So if you are about to buy a coffee maker, don't do it yet, because one of these machines completely outperforms the others, and most people end up choosing the wrong one. We tested the top-rated coffee makers for both hot coffee and cold brew on the same machine, and the results might surprise you. Make sure you watch all the way through, because the number 1 pick is easily the best overall, and it is not the most expensive. I will even tell you how you can save money on your purchase and how these coffee machines were tested, so you definitely want to stick around until the end. Also, subscribe for more honest product reviews like this. It really helps me out. Let's start with number 3 of the top 3. At number 3, we have the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System. This one is all about speed and convenience. If you want a quick cup of coffee without thinking too much about it, this machine does a great job. It is especially strong for single-serve brewing, which makes it perfect for busy mornings when you just need something fast. One of its best features is the over-ice option, which lets you make iced coffee that does not taste watered down. It also has an adjustable tray, so you can fit different cup sizes without any hassle. In testing, it performed well overall, especially for quick brewing. But this is where it falls slightly behind the others. The main issue is temperature consistency. The coffee is still good, but it is not always as precise or consistent as the higher-ranked machines. And at a price range of around $250 to $300, you would expect a little more performance. So it is a solid choice, but not the best overall. Now number 2 gets a lot more interesting. At number 2, we have the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System CP307. This machine is all about flexibility. It gives you a wide range of brewing options with clear and easy-to-use settings that let you customize your coffee exactly how you want it. But the biggest standout feature is the cold brew. Instead of waiting hours like traditional methods, this machine can make cold brew in about 18 to 20 minutes. That alone makes it a huge upgrade for people who drink cold coffee regularly. It also scored very high in testing for hot coffee, delivering strong and flavorful results. But there are a couple of trade-offs. Cleaning this machine can take more time compared to simpler models, and the cold brew it produces is not exactly the same as traditional slow-steeped cold brew. Even with that, it is still one of the most versatile machines you can buy, and it comes in at around $200 to $220. Now before we get to number 1, quick tip that can actually save you money. Before buying any of these, you can use Rakuten through my affiliate link in the description area below. It gives you cash back on purchases like these, and it does not cost you anything at all. You can even use it on tons of other everyday purchases. So it is basically free savings for something you were already going to buy. Now let's get to number 1, because this is the one most people overlook. At number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach Advanced 5-in-1. This is easily the most balanced coffee maker on this list. It combines convenience, consistency, and value better than the others. It supports multiple brewing styles. Whether you want a full carafe or a single cup, and it delivers reliable results every time. One of its biggest strengths is how simple it is to use. The controls are straightforward, the setup is easy, and the carafe pours cleanly without making a mess. In testing, it performed consistently well across the board, especially for single-serve brewing, which is where many machines struggle. And here is what really makes it stand out. There are no major flaws reported with this machine. That's extremely rare, especially at this price point. And speaking of price, it usually ranges from $100 to $150, making it the best value out of all three. Now here is how these were tested. These rankings are based on consumer testing that looks at real-world performance. That includes brew quality, temperature consistency, ease of use, cleaning, speed, and overall reliability. Each machine is tested multiple times to see how consistent it is, not just how it performs once. So this is not just about features. It is about which machines actually deliver every single day. If you made it this far, you are already ahead of most buyers. Like the video, share it with someone who loves coffee, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. And if you are thinking about picking one of these up, check the description for the links. And do not forget to use Rakuten to save some money on your purchase. And don't forget to click that notification bell to stay in the loop of great, all BS aside products. Thanks for your time. Until the next time, shop smart, not hard.